Hello everyone, this is Defense Politics Asia, and this is the quick update over at the Siversk Front. So this is Siversk. And the Russian forces is attacking Spirne as well as Bilohorivka. There's interesting information about Bilohorivka is that according to information on the 5th of May, which is actually 24 hours earlier than the report. This information seems to elude me. It came right after I did the recording, or I start to stop monitoring and go into the recording. They actually mentioned that Akhmat-North units are here, which means that the Chechen forces is currently operating at Bilohorivka. So this is actually very interesting. So the current the Ukrainian Defense Ministry reported fighting at Bilohorivka, and according to the RIBA, this information, the Russian forces, which consists of the Chechen forces, actually attacked from the southeast, and currently they are entrenched around this eastern side of the quarry. So the Ukrainians are known to be around this area here. So the fighting is still ongoing, and then there is fighting at Spirne, but we do not have much information. Most likely the fighting is in the south, because of information coming from Ukrainian Defense Ministry 2 days previously that the fighting was in the southwest of Spirne. So in their latest information, they did not mention in terms of where around Spirne. And interestingly is that there is a Ukrainian counterattack at Sakko Vantsetti. So the video of the attack went viral because it shows the Ukrainians attacking a trench at this position. So they actually went into the trench and have a firefight. It's basically 2-3 soldiers versus 3 soldiers, and the Russian soldiers lost this firefight. So and this is geolocated by Chris 759 at this position. So which means that this area here where there was a trench line around this area has been captured by the Ukrainian forces, which give them the front line, which means that they're just at the edge of Sakko Vantsetti, and Ukrainians is likely to capture this village, I think, within the next 48 hours, because they are already so close. So most likely we are going to see capture of this tiny little town, and this will allow the Ukrainians to continue their attack southward or towards Mykolaiv, to put some safety net for Vantsetti. So moving out, you can see that where Sakko Vantsetti is actually at Soledad, north of Soledad. So the Ukrainians could go for the rear of Mykolaiv or towards Krasnopolivka, or southward towards Soledad itself, or to Sil. So anyway, this is the quick update over at the situation at Siversk. Sporadic battles here and there, but yeah, that's the interesting thing, that the Ukrainians actually have this counterattack, because this actually corroborates the Ukrainian offensive that I believe will happen at Bakhmut, which I think the plan should be a massive pincer in this way to encircle the Russian forces fighting at the Battle of Bakhmut. But what do I know? So do press the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next update.